Ay, magandang hapon. Diyos maray na hapon sa Indagobos. The closest thing I can get from Kamalig, Albay. Yan. Sunday afternoon. Mount Mayon, kanina pa to, walang usok. Walang usok. Kahit konti. Parang yung Bulusan last week, walang usok. Wala ding usok. Anyway, Mayon Volcano, a view from downtown Kamalig, Albay. Good afternoon po, happy Sunday. Kararating ko lang from Manila. Yan, so nakita ko to. Ang gandang greeting nito, oh. Wawawi. Okay, I'm done. I'm home. Tomorrow, see you Sorsogon. Ha? Okay.